So here I am going for a walk. Happy Wednesday. Just beautiful out. Kind of raining just a little bit right now, but it's just perfect. I'm listening to the Braveheart soundtrack. If you want to know what I'm listening to. You know, eventually, like I've been telling you guys, I'm going to do giveaways, and eventually I will make a personal soundtrack on CD, MP3 files that could give somebody for, for your walks or jogs if you go on them. Or if you just use it for a road trip or something. You can listen to the things I listen to. And it's so soothing and relaxing. Sometimes I listen to upbeat dance music and stuff like that, of course. You know, a lot of times when I walk, it's kind of to relax and or I'll jog or whatever. How do you like my other new IU sweatshirt? I got my Adidas pants on. Oh yeah. All about the jog today. I'm going to jog a little bit. Part of the walk. Right now I'm just walking, of course. I'm feeling a lot better than what I did a couple days ago. Those FedEx. A couple days ago, I just didn't feel good. I ate that blizzard after mowing. I had a headache. Yesterday I didn't eat as much. So I'm starting to feel a little bit lighter on the feet, which is good. I just can't, I don't know about you guys, I just can't eat a bunch of meat and stuff anymore. Just can't. It makes you feel like dope. That's all there is to it, man. I'd much rather nibble on almonds and stuff like that. Like I said, I'm stepping up my health game. Well, I stepping it up. And listen to this music. And like I said, the giveaway, I'm gonna do like a survival pack, Indiana Joe survival pack 2. Well, you'll get my favorite little snacks I carry with me, like M&M's. You guys know how much I love M&M's, Tic Tacs, right? Matter of fact, when I walk and jog, I suck on Tic Tacs. So I have my Tic Tacs right now. I'm gonna start eating that as I finish my walk, or progress if I walk or jog or whatever. Yeah, it's raining, but it's extremely light rain and so starting to jog. It's perfect weather to jog. Perfect. Even with the sweatshirt on. It's raining. So, kind of sprinkling. I forgot to stretch last night after I jogged. That's a no-no, so I've been kind of wobbling on the feet a little bit. Oh, this is beautiful. Feeling pretty good. Who could blog or jog and talk at the same time? What the fly flip? Like you've seen oil, I was jogging in the rain, getting ready to go jogging again. Nothing beats a whole jog in the rain, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm ready to get soaked. No willow lightning or thunder or wind or none of that. It's just flat out rain, and it's good. It's good to jog in the rain sometimes. I mean, I love doing it. And so that's what I'm going to do. When I get back though, I was going too old, but throw some of my clothes in the dryer. Yo, so I want to vlog the jog. Can't do it with this camera, so I'm going to use my GoPro, I think. not jog every day. Not gonna jog every day simply because it's not bad on. I mean, it's not good for your joints, your knees, ankles, hips, etc. To do it every day. Maybe it's okay to do it every day for a while. I aim to settle on doing that, but every day, jogging and running every day, not good.